Hello, my name is Alex James. I'm a student in Professor Canetti's Intermediate Spanish 2 class at Salem State University. Tonight, I'm going to be reading you the poem Noche from Rufo Velasquez's book Sol de la Noche. It goes like this. Gris sucio, opaco, se ha revuelto en la paleta de mis sentidos todos los colores que sobraban de pintar. Espero el nuevo día que la liempe. Now, part of the reason I chose this poem over the countless other poems I could have chosen is its general length. It's only around 6 lines, while other poems go on for dozens of more lines. And yet, the poem is able to get off some incredibly strong imagery in just its 6 lines. It mentions the colors gray and white, it mentions how the speaker's brain is scrambled from painting so much, and it mentions how she hopes that she is recharged by the next day so she can continue to paint. All of this paints a picture in my mind that allows me to connect with the speaker more. And reading ahead further to Professor Canetti's notes section later on in the book on page 173, it mentions how Ruth loved to paint, which helps me connect with the poem a bit more. In terms of how it connects to me, I like to read and write quite a lot, but I do get burnout from time to time, similar to how Ruth did when she painted for the entire day, and I do need to take a break every now and then. And I also used to paint, so I can also relate to that somewhat. In any case, thank you for listening, and I hope you have a good night.